like say Khan was when Karan decided. My logic was, and I could be wrong because I don't have full knowledge of Islam or being a Muslim, to be honest, but niyat se pad jati hai. You have to believe in it yourself. Nobody can teach you. We are taught 5 waqt namaz padna zaruri hai, but not every Muslim follows it. Somewhere down the line,
do you follow it?
No, I'm not able to follow it, and I'm very honest about it. I would love to, but I can't. But I think of Allah every moment of my life. Most certainly, I'm very proud to be a Muslim, but what people would say is I'm an easier going Muslim. I'm a moderate Muslim, but I'm as Muslim can be, to be really honest.
Muslim is a person who submits will to God. So you cannot say a liberal Muslim or a moderate Muslim. You can say a practicing Muslim or partly practicing or non-practicing. That's more correct.
Yes. I really don't understand what is being a moderate Muslim. I think I'm just a Muslim. I'm a normal Muslim. I don't find any difference wearing a hijab. I don't feel different from any other lady sitting around over here.
If she wants to wear it, it's absolutely all right. It could be a hijab, it could be a bikini, it could be a t-shirt, it could be a shirt, it could be whatever.
Intimidation.
लेकिन ये अगर अपने शौक से पहन रही हैं और मैं अपने शौक से दाढ़ी रख रहा हूँ तो मुझे हक तो है पूरा, लेकिन मैं मॉडरेट मुस्लिम नहीं हो सकता. ये भी एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है.
मुझे लगता है कि मदनी साहब मैं नहीं मानता था, सच बता रहा हूँ, मैं आपके सामने हूँ. मैं अगर इनको ऐसा देखूं तो ये मेरी भी गलती है कि मैं नहीं समझता शायद मदनी साहब मॉडरेट या लेस प्रैक्टिसिंग या मोर प्रैक्टिसिंग मुस्लिम. बॉटम लाइन इज दैट whether however he looks, I have to give him a chance. Just want to say one thing with I just want to know very clearly, and I'm a Muslim and I want to know, is it more important for me to look Muslim and see Muslim or to feel Muslim? I fully respect the scriptures. I fully respect all the hadiths. I have read the Quran in my own way, in Arabic and in English. But I think its time has come, and this genuinely is an appeal, that it is more important to feel Muslim, to feel Hindu, than to look it. And if you do, if you do, it's absolutely cool. And if you don't, it's absolutely cool. Many a times people ask me, do you do this? And I'm like, no, but I'm still a Muslim. Do you do this? Like even singing and dancing, in a certain sense, in a very
orthodox
sense, is the wrong thing to do. But I make a living out of singing and dancing. So how do I explain? My logic is, please can we understand all the clergy, all the mullahs, all the ulemas who know that they're specialists. Just because I'm not a specialist does not make me less of a Muslim.
But the hadith in Sahih Bukhari, if you read volume number 7, in the book of dress, that the Prophet covered his head. So covering the head is the sunnah of the Prophet. So to say that covering the head is not a part of Muslimanity is totally wrong. The beard is a part of the Muslim identity. Wearing the cap, or at least covering the head, whether with a scarf or with a gatra like the Arabs do.
If your kids asked you, what is my religion, what would you say?
My daughter did ask me one day. She came back and she said, teacher, when somebody asked her, are you a Hindu or a Muslim? And I said, say you're a Christian. It's absolutely all right. We are Indians. Let's not go there. But yes, I make them pray as much as I can in the Islamic way. My wife does it in her faith. And the fact is that we are very clear that we accept it with ease.